Hello everyone, what I'm about to explain is backed by the mechanics working here in the shop, so don't worry, this can be fixed. If you're driving your Chevy Cruze and the message AC off due to high engine temp suddenly appears, don't panic. Your car is basically saying, hey, I'm getting a little hot, so I'll turn off the air conditioning to protect myself. It's like your engine has a built-in self-protection button to prevent more serious problems. The first thing the shop mechanics recommend is checking the coolant level. Yes, that liquid that keeps everything cool. If it's low or there's air trapped in the system, the engine can send incorrect readings to the computer, making it think it's too hot. Many report that bleeding the system and topping off the coolant fix the problem immediately. If the coolant level is fine, the next usual suspect is the engine or radiator temperature sensor. Some of these sensors can fail over time and send false signals. Several owners on Reddit and Cruze Talk reported that replacing one or both sensors made the message go away. Although in some cases it was only temporary because the real issue was a bit deeper. That's when the thermostat comes into play. Yes, that small device that regulates coolant flow. Mechanics tell me that replacing the thermostat and sometimes its housing if it's cracked permanently solved the warning when the sensors alone weren't enough. Basically, if your engine isn't circulating the coolant properly, even if everything else is fine, the computer freaks out and shuts off the AC. Another detail that many forget is checking electrical connections and wiring harnesses. A corroded or loose wire can make the sensor send incorrect signals. Some mechanics reported that simply cleaning or tightening these connections made the message disappear without spending much money.